Hello again, my fellow battle brawlers. I am back with a good old bakugan unboxing. However, I need to adjust some stuff so I can do so without hopefully knocking over these chest pieces. That would be great because it is stuck on my table. Oh my lordy. Oh, give me one sec, guys. I need to move this thing. It's for some reason sticking to the table and it shouldn't be. There we go. It's because it was stuck on the edge of the frickin' thing there. I'm going to put y'all against my Bakugan Arena for the new Gen 3 stuff. I can manage that. Oh, excuse me. So, Happy New Year's, everyone. I am unboxing the Pyrus Dragonoid Starter Pack. Give me one sec. I actually almost forgot one thing. Got my trusty dusty knife. Woo! Oh shit. Dragonoid fell, man. But he landed on my foot, so thank goodness. Alright, let's do this stuff. Gonna get into this Dragonoid starter pack right here. Right on. That was pretty simple to get into. I'm a little bit buzzed, so don't mind me, guys. But I'm enjoying my time, you know, enjoying my New Year's. Gonna rebend this frickin' ripstick straight again. I make all my ripsticks straight. I make sure they're all straight again because I hate how they're curved. It wrecks the Bakugan's paint scheme and stuff like that in the bottom. It wrecks the bottom pieces anyway. I always make sure these are straightened because, yeah, I hate when I rip the Dragonoids and stuff like that and rare stuff with these ripcords when they're bent. It don't work for me. I don't like it. That's good enough. A little bit bent, but there we go. Let's see how that rips. Okay, so we need to get these guys out of here. Apparently there's some new stuff in here I'd never seen before in a starter pack. Oh, yeah. Rip that shite. Oh, yeah. Just kidding. So, first thing we're going to get into is the cards and the lists. So, give me one sec, guys. Alright, so first up we got gate cards. We got this Pyrus Fire card. Pyrus Land right here. We'll throw that down. Right there. Then we got the gate card right here. I have to go to the bathroom after this. And apparently this isn't a list. I thought this was going to be a list, but apparently not. That pees me off. Alright, whatever. And now we got actual cards. Whoa, what's wrong with this character card? It's still got a little bit of wear on it. We got another Dan, hell yeah. But it's got a bit of wear on that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not very great. My camera sucks really bad. But we got a Dan with a bit of wear on it for some odd reason out of the pack, and it's brand new, so that's kind of weird. Then we got two of this. We got two copies of this. I don't think we're supposed to get two copies of Juno. Oh, they're different. They're different copies of Juno. Never mind. That might be a possibility. Oh, now we gotta get into the cards. Then we got Ventus Nilius. My screen's blurry as crap because of the camera sucking. That's terrible. I should have just did it at the other side of the camera. Then we got Darkest Hammerhead. And then we got Dragonoid himself. And my battery is dying. I don't give a crap. It can kiss my butt. Then we got Steel Warrior. Okay, so then now we're starting with Darkest Hammerhead. I like what they did with the yellow. Looks good on him. There is the Darkest Hammerhead. Purple and the yellow is pretty good on him. Then we got Ventus Nilius. Ventus Basic Nilius. Alright, and then we got Special Attack Dragonoid. But before I get into him, we also got one of these things here too. Holy Dragonoid. He's pretty badass. Hell yeah. I'm sorry, but like, that's pretty dope. Dragonoid, stand! And he's got manual parts on him too. And now I finally got Dragonoid in all his forms so far that I know of. Except for the very Amazon exclusive variants. I want them. But this is Dragonoid in his true glory. I just gotta open up the rest of his titanium evolution. He's got little feet. There we go. Titanium evolution. Dragonoid Titanium. Special Attack Titanium Dragonoid. Though I don't know if that's actually what it's called. It's just called Special Attack Dragonoid, but I'm just calling it Titanium Dragonoid because that's what I see him roll into when he's titanium. But anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video. I will be doing another upload later on, maybe tomorrow or something. But anyways, Happy New Year. 2024 is coming. It is almost 12 a.m. Peace out for now. Bakugan, bro. Peace. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah.